Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, Echo's trailer dropped a couple of days back. So this movie is releasing this particular weekend. So I thought, let me watch the trailer because movie though I cannot right now. Yes. This is again a 2-minute trailer, same as the teaser. So yeah, let's watch it right away. Look at that shot. That's beautiful.
മലയാള ഭാഷയില് എന്തോ ഒരു പേര് പറയാറുണ്ട്. മദ്രാസ് നേവൽ ബേസിൽ ഒരു ടിബറ്റൻ റോഡ് വൈലർ ഉണ്ടായി. ഓരോരുത്തർക്ക് ഓരോന്നായിരുന്നു ഓരോന്ന് തോന്നും. അതുകൊണ്ടുള്ള കാലഘട്ടം ഇതിപ്പോ എന്താ ഒരു നേവികൾ കുര്യച്ചൻ നേവികൾക്കും മട്ടിതിനുള്ള സപ്ലൈ കാണുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ആയിശ്ശേരി പോലീസ് സ്റ്റേഷൻ ആക്രമണം നടന്ന കാലത്ത് കുര്യച്ചന്റെ കുറെ അടുപ്പക്കാര് ക്യാമ്പിലുണ്ട്. മൂന്നും കഴിഞ്ഞ് 4 ആഴ്ചയായിട്ടും ആളെ അടിവാരത്തെ കാണാൻ ഞാൻ അത്തരക്കിച്ചു. ആർക്ക് വേണ്ട കാര്യങ്ങള് നമ്മള് പോലും അറിയാതെ നമ്മളെ കൊണ്ട് ചെയ്യും. 8 കഴിയുമ്പോഴാണ് ചിലതൊക്കെ കറക്റ്റ് ആട്ടോ. പട്ടികൾ അളക്കുന്ന അളവില് മനുഷ്യരെ അളക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
This looks very mysterious to me. Oh, I like this music.
I know you're here.
Damn. Okay. I love when the trailer gives out nothing and you're like, what is happening? What is happening? But you're so intrigued, right? So I know Vilayat Buddha trailer is also out, so I'll of course make a reaction for that as well. But I have started watching Kerala Crime Files season 2. I'm making a reaction of all the episodes, so I'll post it eventually because I have to edit, and also let me record a couple of episodes and then I'll edit them out, and then in sequence I'll post it. So maybe from December, give me like another 10 days, 7-10 days, and maybe I'll start like posting my movie series reactions from December onwards. I took your suggestions obviously. So this also looks very, very intriguing in the sense that there's so much mystery surrounding, and when you are dealing with nature and animals, there's a different kind of atmosphere that kind of movie creates. It creates a very, very haunting and mysterious atmosphere. And here also I feel there is a psychological play even in this, like it was in Kishkinda Kandam. Another thing which is also consistent with the teaser is how beautiful this movie is going to look. Those shots are just stunning. It's absolutely stunning because when you are dealing with nature and this is the beauty of actually shooting a film in real locations. You cannot fake that. Like, that is just next level stunning. When you see that on screen, it mesmerizes you completely. And I feel that because even in the teaser, and I'm seeing in the trailer, when you see all these nature shots, it's very, like, you see it in wide angle for some reason. A lot of wide angle shots, a lot of like drone kind of shots. I don't know why. Maybe it's kind of trying to capture the vastness in a way, and how because of this entire vast space, you as a human being, you're like a very small entity there, right? And maybe it is also to say how, like, because animals, I would say in nature, animals are much more instinctive than human beings. Like, we kind of get scared seeing something which is not really familiar to us, but there are also people who find it very intriguing, who are adventurous, who explore, who want to see what is there in that unknown territory where not many people have gone. So I don't know. It could be anything because the context is not really set here. And I love how much they have withheld in both the teaser and the trailer. So obviously, you will only have to tell me how the movie is. I will also watch when it releases on OTT, right? So come back to this trailer after you watch it this weekend and let me know how the film is. So I will wait for it. Then I'll wait. And now I'll wait for your review, guys. Now it's the other way around for a couple of months. I'll wait for your review. So yeah, anyway, that was my reaction to the trailer of Echo. And I'm gonna sign off now, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.